Hello everyone, I'm Alif and today we're going to try Candle, a minimalist machine learning framework for Rust. We're going to try running an LLM, and before we start, running an LLM is a very demanding task. It requires you a high or a powerful hardware, CPU and GPU. If you've got a powerful high-end PC or a laptop, you're in luck. But in my case, I don't have such powerful local hardware, so I'm just going to use my personal server here. It got 44 cores CPU and 96 GB of RAM, and I think it's sufficient to run an LLM. But we don't have a GPU here. I don't know what is it, but we're just going to use the CPU for that. So the first step you have to do is install Rust and Cargo, and then we can clone the Candle repository from GitHub source code. After that, okay, we can check all the available models example here. There are so many of them, but we're going to try out Mistral and Phi. So let's just begin. The first step is to send this command cargo run example, and then the name of the example program, or in our case is the example program of the models, and here we're going to use Mistral. Then we're going to use release flag because we don't need debugging codes, so let's just get rid of it. And if you're using an NVIDIA GPU or graphics card, you can add double dash features CUDA, but since I'm just going to use a CPU, I will not need features flag. So let's add another double dash and space. So what it does is, after that double dash, it will pass the every arguments to the example program. Let's try help page. Okay, now let's try to send a prompt. Okay, prompt. And what, like, how are you? Let's try chat. Oh, sorry. How are you? And then double dash sample length. So here we define how many tokens we're going to generate. So I will say like 100 tokens, 100, and then we're going to use quantized, and then CPU, enter. And we're going to see the output generated by the model. Okay. So because we're just limiting the output tokens to 100 and it got cut in the middle, that's okay, that's fine. And let's try Phi. Let's try the help page first. Oh no, sorry. Phi. Okay. Enter. The available options are similar to Mistral. And let's just use the same prompt and command and just change the name of the model. And here's the output. Okay, seems like Phi provide us with simpler answer, so it doesn't cut in the middle. And let's break down how to count tokens. Alright, and here I already have write some stuff to help me explain it. So in GPT 3.5, it counts the sentence into tokens this way. Like in the word don't, it separates do and then the and the apostrophe and the t. So and apostrophe and t are being counted as one token, and the do part is one token. So we got two tokens. In BERT, what Hugging Face used, it counts like don't as one token, the apostrophe separatedly count as one token, and the t as another one token. So we got three tokens for the word don't. And in Llama, Hugging Face, it could even be d and as one tokens, and on as another one token, apostrophe and the t as another token. So we got like 1, 2, 3, 3 tokens. It depends on the sentence piece config. So let's try with I don't speak French sentence. So with GPT 3.5, we count it as I do and speak French. So we got 5 tokens, and then BRT1, it's I don't apostrophe C speak French. We got 6 tokens, and I T on apostrophe and T speak French. So we got 6 tokens for Llama, or it depends on the configuration. So here it is, how to count tokens. So we can say that it's depends on how you configure your model. So here it is. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. I'm out. Bye.